Once again a warm welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to have a look at commonly used English words and its meaning in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like, share with your friends and family members. Many other videos related to commonly used English words are already available in my channel playlist. Please check out those videos too. And yes, without fail, press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. So yeah, let's dive into today's video. Let's get started. Number 1, run. In Hindi, daudna. In Tamil, odu. Telugu, parigettu. And in Kannada, odu. Number 2, fly. In Hindi, udna. Tamil, parakka. Telugu, eguru. And in Kannada, haru. Next one, search. In Hindi, talashi lena, khojna or dhoondna. You can say in any of these ways. Now in Tamil, tedal. In Telugu, vetakadam. And in Kannada, huduku. So that was in Kannada. Fourth one, threaten. In Hindi, dhamki dena. In Tamil, miratte. Now in Telugu, bedarinchu. And in Kannada, bedarisu. Fifth one, thank you. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. Dhanyavad. Now in Tamil, nandri. In Telugu, dhanyavadalu. And in Kannada, dhanyavada. So that was in Kannada for thank you. Sixth one, borrow. Let's learn the meaning in Hindi. Udhar lena. In Tamil, kadan vaanguvadu. Now in Telugu, appu teeskodam. And in Kannada, sala maduvudu. Let's move on to the seventh one, chase. In Hindi, पीछा करना. Now in Tamil, तुरत्तु. Telugu, వెంబడించు. And in Kannada, బెన్నెట్టు. Eighth one, alone. In Hindi, अकेला. In Tamil, తనియాగా. Now in Telugu, ఒంటరిగా. And in Kannada, ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ. I repeat, ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ. Ninth one, succeed. In Hindi, सफल होना और सफलता. In Tamil, వెట్రి. In Telugu, విజయం. And in Kannada, యశస్సు. I repeat, యశస్సు. Tenth one, prayer. In Hindi, प्रार्थना करना. In Tamil, ప్రార్థనై. Now in Telugu, ప్రార్థించు. In Kannada, ప్రార్థిసు. So this was for prayer in Kannada. Next one, closed. In Hindi, बंद करना और बंद होना. In Tamil, మూడపట్టదు. Now in Telugu, మూసివేయబడిన. And in Kannada, ముచ్చిద. Let's move on to the 12th one, marriage. In Hindi, షాదీ. Now in Tamil, తిరుమణం or kalyanam, both means the same. Pelli in Telugu and in Kannada, maduve. In Kannada, maduve. Next, heavy. Let's learn the meaning in Hindi. Bhari. In Tamil, ganamana. Now in Telugu, baruvaina or bhari. And in Kannada, bharavada or bhari. 14th one, exercise. In Hindi, vyayam. In Tamil, udarpayirchi. In Telugu, vyayamam. And in Kannada, vyayama. Let's move on to the 15th one, send. In Hindi, bhejna. In Tamil, anupu. In Telugu, pampu or pampandi. Both means the same. Now in Kannada, kaluhisu. Kaluhisu in Kannada. Next in our list is sacrifice. Let's learn the meaning in Hindi. Tyag in Hindi. Now in Tamil, tyagam. In Telugu, tyagam. Again in Kannada, tyaga. Just a slight difference in the pronunciation. Let's move on to the 17th one, complete. In Hindi, pura or purna. Now in Tamil, mudumai. In Telugu, purti. And in Kannada, sampurna. Let's move on to the 18th one, need. In Hindi, zarurat. I repeat, zarurat in Hindi. In Tamil, tevai. In Telugu, avasaram. And in Kannada, agatya. I repeat, agatya. Let's move on to the 19th one, decide. In Hindi, nirnay karna or nirnay lena. Now in Tamil, mudivedu. In Telugu, nirnayinchu. And in Kannada, nirdharisu. I repeat, nirdharisu. Next one, find out. In Hindi, pata lagana. I repeat, pata lagana. In Tamil, kandubidi. In Telugu, kanipettadam. And in Kannada, kanduhidi. I repeat, kanduhidi. 21st one, discuss. Let's learn the meaning in Hindi. Charcha karna. In Tamil, kalandaivu. In Telugu, charchinchu. And in Kannada, charchisu. I repeat, charchisu. So how was today's session? Was it interesting or informative? Give me your feedbacks in the comment section. I hope you would have learned something new. Then please hit a like. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends to whomever it would be useful. Do not waste your time. Make it beneficial by watching my channel videos to learn multiple languages, which will be helpful for your future in one or the other way. Once again, it's time to request you all, like, share and subscribe. If you need any other videos based on some other topic, please do comment me. Let's catch up in next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host Kavita signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you again.